Cigarette smoking show here.
Much to Paul's disdain. Imperial Brands PLC owns cigarette brands such as Davidoff, West JPS, Gauloises Blondes,
yeah,
and
the French
Luciano,
cigarette.
real novice at this industry, and Winston.
Winston. We've got Winston
Did you
here
get a
somewhere.
Winston?
Yes, here we go. This is the one with the fancy sliding box.
Now that I
Press
thought
it on
you
the
wouldn't be
side
able
and
to
it pops
open,
out.
but you know.
But this is a big name, big brand.
Market cap here, £33.3 billion, a PE ratio of 32.7, and a dividend yield of 4.3%. Gary, give me the lowdown.
Yeah, Imperial Brands. Yeah, it is maybe one of the more exciting companies. It's not quite. I think it's about the 4th largest in the world, but it's it's really going through a period of consolidation. So they're actually cutting brands out of their stable at the moment and trying to really focus on only certain driving certain products, and it seems to be working. So it's if you look at the sell side forecast, a lot higher than some of the others. So guys looking for probably 19% share price performance from here. So maybe a little bit more exciting stock than some of the others that are steady eddies.
Paul, can you get excited?
Well,
let's have a look at the share price graph.
Yes,
and
let's bring it up.
We'll give you a sense.
They changed the name of the company from Imperial Tobacco to Imperial Brands, signaling that they want to, diversify a little bit, and that it's not only about cigarette-related products. They've got quite a big stake in a business called Logisto, which is a big FMCG distribution operation, because that would make sense since you're in that kind of game. Headquartered in Bristol in the United Kingdom. Interesting. Look, I don't know that there's anything to be said about this strategy.
There's the first graph that we've seen dipping sharply to the right.
Yeah, that's just a little bit of earnings-related movement after creating some quite high expectations.
Could you take advantage of the downside here?
Yeah, I think you can. We actually hold this for again, because the listing's in London. It's quite a nice one if you want. If you're sitting with a sterling balance and you have access to the UK markets. It's again, you kind of don't want to convert and go and buy some of these other ones in other currencies. So this gives you a nice option in the UK market, but it does sell internationally. So I think what Paul was saying, the expectations are very high coming into earnings, because they were looking at it and saying, with the sterling weakening a little bit, you would expect really bumper profits to come through for the company. It didn't quite meet expectations, and you saw the pullback. But again, with the pullback here, maybe earnings a little bit overheated, but certainly still doing very well.
Interesting thing, just one other small wrinkle, as I was looking at the box now while Gary was talking, this actually says on the side that it's a product of JT International. Now, JT International is Japan Tobacco International, which is also the one that owns the brand internationally for Camel. So there's that slight confusion. Sometimes you'll see a brand in one territory that belongs to another company. Winston, of course, is a US brand and belongs to Imperial Brands and operates there. But out here, it's distributed by Japan Tobacco.
Well, that's reason enough not to even go anywhere near it, as far as I'm concerned. A major wrinkle.
Yeah.
Hot or not?
I think it's, with the pullback, I think it is hot now. I think you're getting into a decent level. So, yeah, I'd buy.
I'm not even going to ask you.
Nope.
We're just going to go straight